How to log in Hulu account. So if you want to log into your Hulu account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply click on the search bar and search for Hulu, and after searching click on the first search, which is www.hulu.com, and here you can go for a login, which is on the upper right. And here on the first blank you have to enter your email address, and on the next blank you have to enter your password. And if you forgot your email or if you forgot your password, then you will have this option which says forgot your email or password. You can click on that and then you can reset or recover your account or your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then you can click on login. And after clicking on login, you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Hulu account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.